Yeah, hi team. Good morning, everyone. So hope everybody know about me. We'll start our session now. Okay, so I will provide all the details. So let me start with our roadmap. Okay, so we have already just have a 3 demo sessions. Even from the today onwards, we will have a regular sessions. Okay, so let me explain you with this course what we are going to be learn and what is our target by seeing the roadmap. Okay. So daily, how many hours? What is the syllabus? Okay. So everything I am going to be explained to you. Okay. So every day we are going to be start a batch at morning 7:45 a.m. Only for today, it will be only for today it will be 8 a.m. Tomorrow onwards 7:45 a.m. So by considering the working professionals, so I'm taking this one 7:45 to 8:45. So if you have any questions, you can able to 7:45 to 8:45. Any questions you can able to wait for 8:45 to 9. We will discuss it. So daily initially we'll have 1 hour session. Later we'll go for a little extend. Okay. So this is about a timing. So how the session? Every day 1 hour session followed by the concept with real time examples and interview questions. Okay, so for example, see here. So here I have explained some concepts, how to add images, how to add a comments, how to work with the comments, even if it is a comment also, how to work that comment in the real time. Okay, for example, a comment is not to comment the code. Generally, we are using comment to comment the code. It's not in the real time. Okay, how to add the comment. Comment will explain about our code. Okay, on the top of this part, we will show you the example practically, and then I will give you the questions plus labs. Okay, every day you are going to get a minimum 2 to 5 labs. Okay, so if you have any doubts in the day, you can able to reach out me in the number which you are received the link. That is my personal number. You can able to call me anytime. So labs here, I'm targeting to minimum 2 labs to maximum 5 labs. Okay, plus a project and tasks. For this task, we will form a small kind of a group. Target of our batch is 15 to 20 members. Okay, so that's it. That is okay. I'm not going to take more than that one, 10 to 20 members. Okay. In this team, for the we have the some people, almost 8+ members are working professionals. 8 members are looking for the job change, or else looking for to add some experience to get the job. Okay, I will form a groups and work with you. Okay, so what I'm going to be offer in this course. So here 2 things is there. React to JS full stack. React to JS full stack. Okay, so React to JS full stack. In this ReactJS full stack, so we are targeting for the Marna. So for example, we are using the database as MongoDB, ExpressJS, React is the front and the Node.js. So next, React to JS. So here we are fully focusing on the React.js. If I say React.js or React.js full stack, we are going to be cover design. Okay, I know. So few members already know the design. Okay. But design part, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Okay. So next coding part. Our target of the coding part is JavaScript. Target of the coding is JavaScript, React.js, Redux. Okay. So this is the target. Okay. In the full stack, along with these things, plus you are going to get some libraries. Okay. So these libraries, AX, IOS, like farm libraries. Okay. Few other libraries you are going to get. The target of this session, either React.js, initially we'll start with the React.js, these concepts. If you are interested for the MongoDB, Node.js, Express, you can able to continue. Okay. So Node.js use it to create a API calls. Okay. Even here also we are going to use the API as API as JSON server in our case. Okay. So if you all people are interested, instead of the JSON, we'll see So Node.js APIs creation, that I will take care. Okay, no need to worry. So with these sessions, by coming to our sessions, my target is you are going to get 2 years hands-on experience. Okay, my target is 2 years hands-on experience. Okay, so for example, if you take a real-time person who has in the 2 years, whatever he is going to be implement, you also going to be develop. Okay, plus sir, I have some gap. I want to go with experience. What can I do? You need to add one real-time project. So real-time project in the sense it's a real-time only. Okay, so I have seen a lot of the projects for the different clients. Okay, I will explain you one of that project. Or else in our session, we have the working professionals also. We'll take a project from them also. Okay, either this will be a project you people wants to be give, sir, I will give this project, please explain to me. Okay, or else if me want to be can come up with a project, I will explain. So this project design level, we need to be created designs and develop. Okay, sir, how to create a design? For that one, we're having the Figma tool. Okay, so all these things are you are going to be explore. Okay, Figma tool. If you don't know, if you know or don't know, I don't know, we'll see that Figma tool to create a designs. Okay, plus we are going to be form a group and develop a project. Next, from day one itself, we are going to be start. We are going to be focus on a interview point of view. Interview. So that's what I will give daily 5 questions. Today's session is completed. Tomorrow morning, first 10 minutes, I will revision the previous session. Will ask questions. You should be ready. Okay. So my suggestion is, if you want to go for experience, either 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, you should be practice a minimum 2 to 6 hours. Okay, 1 hour if you explain right, you should be practice. Okay, 2 to 6 hours minimum that is required. Okay, 1 hour session if I explain, for example, you are having the very good experience, in that case 1 hour is perfect. It can be half an hour also, but for that project you are going to work, right? So 2 to 6 hours. For example, if you are working professionals, you are busy in this week, at least by the weekend you should be complete. Okay, so this is our target. So sir, in the practice I have a question. So how I can able to reach you? Can I wait for the next session or before that one? Okay, no need to wait. For example, if you have the doubt, immediately you can able to call or text me. I will reply. If you're not respond, wait 10-15 minutes, you will get it. Or else you can able to call me back. Okay, next, you are going to be work on some tasks every day. This tasks, we are having a separate website. So you need to be post. Once you are completed the task, right, you need to be post. Okay, so if you follow this structure, definitely you will be get a success. I know most of the members I have discussed individually. Maybe few members are already working, few members are looking for the change, few members are just lost the job and they want to be switch the career. Even anything can be fine. Few people like they want to go with experience. Few members are try for a fresher. Okay, whatever it is, whatever it is. Okay, just a focus. So daily just follow me. Okay, so next, everybody's clear up to here? What and all these things?
Yes.
Okay. So I will in detail, I will explain about the syllabus and the structure. Hope everybody is clear. Here, design, coding, API, plus real-time project, and I will explain the Git also. Okay, I'm going to explain a Git also. So here I will format team. Okay, for example, I'm just showing this project. Okay, so I have the different projects, but in this mission I have this project only. Okay, so let me show you some practical project. See here. So this type of the project you are going to be, develop. Okay, but not this project. Okay, so every time I will come up with a new project. Okay, so every time I will come up with a new project, you also involved in that project to be developed, not coming to the sessions, listening session and going off. It's not kind of that one. Okay, so let me log in. Here you can able to see the structure. Okay, so this type of the project in the real time. Okay, dashboards, appointments. See, a nice pop-up is coming, right? Okay, sir, pop-up means how to develop. Here I'm here. Okay, I will explain you everything. Okay, okay. So next, all these things. Okay, if I say project, what type of issues? See the navigation, everything. If I say project, okay, so not only explaining the project. So what type of the things I'm going to be explaining as a part of a project? First, project design. Okay, design. So this is done by using the Figma tool. Okay, so if you're interested for Figma, you can able to come to that Figma. I will explain you. Okay, so if you're not interested, that can be fine. Okay, this type of the tools nobody will not explain. Figma in the real time, peoples will be design. Okay, if you need to be login, see, you need to be here. It will be a static design, sir. Okay, either you can able to use the paint also. That I will explain you how to design a project, how to design a slides. Okay, so here I will create a team. For example, Harish, Chinna, Guru Prasad, Jay Shankar is one team. So for that, I will give you one page to be designed. Okay, I will explain you Figma tool. Okay, so you may hear heard about things called UI and UX. Am I correct? Anybody heard about UI UX design?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so how to develop a UI means so you are going to be developed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But how to develop a UX? So this UX is nothing but the user before going to be develop application, we are going to be develop a UX. But this UX also takes a lot of the time. But simply I will explain you how to develop a basic UX also. Okay, so next, so design is completed. Next, we'll develop a coding for that project. Coding. Okay, so before the coding, so design is nothing but a tool design. This is the next designer components. Okay, so this is the real-time team. Somebody saying about real-time projects like a graphic system, it's not about that one. In the realistic, we're having the healthcare domain, financial domain, insurance domain. Okay, a lot of domains are there. Okay, retail domain, ERP domain, gas domain. Okay, so roads. Okay, governments. So different sectors, even internal projects also. Sometimes I will take internal projects like incident management system like this. So next, we need to be coding for that. Next, we will see you performance, how the system is performance. Next, issues. Okay, for example, so Chinna having the 2 years experience on a doctor. Okay, Chinna, so you are having the 2 years experience working as a doctor. Okay, so now a patient is came, he will explain about some details. So and so pain, you will get it right. By that 2 years of experience, you can able to estimate or you can able to think like, okay, because of so and so reasons, you will get it. Yes or no? Okay, so here. Okay, so here with this 2 years experience, if you are keeping right, not only learning the project, you should be know the predefined issues. As a 2 years person, what you are going to be work in the real time, those type of the issues. Got it my point, team? Got it, Raghavendra? So if I say 2 years means, so with the 2 years, you have seen some realistic platform, right? What type of issues will be posted by the testing team? Okay. Okay, so testing team. So what type of the issues we need to be fixed? Unit testing. Okay, all this I will going to explain how to develop a project. So testing team will be find and as a part of unit testing also. Next, unit testing. Unit testing means this is not a test cases. Unit testing means this is not a test cases where a developer can able to test a project. Okay, finally Git repository. Okay, see. For this project, this is my project, right? So this is my project, right? I want to be work with the Git repository or not. So let me show you that Git repository. Okay, I will reshare. Everybody's clear what I'm explaining? So this is the Git repository. Okay, so here you need to be work with this Git repository. Okay, Git is nothing but a, so as a developer, you will develop a code or not. Once you develop a code, where you want to add, you need to be add somewhere else or not. That is called source control. So as a part of this one, we are going to be learn Git. Okay, clear? Next, so not only learning this Git, for example, let me open a project. See, so let me modify something. Okay, so in the admin screen appointments, so some CSS, I'm just modifying like, let me add something. I'm just adding some space. Okay, or else some class. So let me add a test bg hyphen green. Okay, I'm just adding some code. Background color green. Okay, see here, able to see the differences? So this is the difference you added. Okay, sir, how you got it? I will explain everything. Okay, so this is your previous code. This is your new code. Here, you need to add Jira ID 123 or else your task ID 125. Okay, added background green color class. Okay, so simply here commit and push, commit and sync. Sir, you are showing something I was confusing. No need to worry. If anybody having the confusion, I know. Okay, so in front of, we'll see the crocodile festival like this. It will become wait. Okay, so let me just commit and push. So would you like to stage all your changes? Commit and push. Okay, so here, so you need to be stage these changes. Okay, now my changes are staged. Sir, what is mean by stage again? Okay, that's what. If you're going with experience, all these questions will be triggered. So what is a Git? How to stage the changes? How to push? How to pull? Okay, all these things. So what is the commit? Okay, I want to refresh. Okay, so pull. I want to pull the changes or not? Am I correct? For example, Narendra working on a one task. Okay, so Ramya is working on another task, but file is the same. So he adding some styles or coding. She's adding some styles or code. Can I have to get Ramya? You need to be get the code from Narendra or not? But you will go to the Narendra and I will ask no. Narendra will do the check-in in the Git. So he will be push. You need to be pull that code changes. Okay, but all these things we will see in detail. Okay, so like a team. Plus our team always should be talk something. Okay, don't be ideal. So all these things, once you are checking the code, right, immediately that check-ins will be come here. Okay, so all these things we'll see it. Okay, so how the things are going on, settings, lot of the things here it will be. Okay, so this is the private, nobody will not access this link other than me. But if you want to access, we'll give you a permission. Okay, see here, are you able to notice the difference? So somebody check in yet 1 minute ago. Okay, so these type of the practical scenarios I'm going to be explaining. Okay, see here, if I click on this one, right, I can able to see who did the check-in also. Okay, everybody clear about the project? So what type of the project? I will come up with a project. We'll design, we'll code, we'll see the performance, we'll see the issues, we'll see the unit testing, we'll check in the code. Then once you are able to complete this project, right, you will get a confidence. The level of confidence is the different. Okay, once you are getting the confidence on this one, the level of confidence is different. For example, you are adding the 2 years of experience, you are in the PHP developer, no need to worry. Okay, you are working on a .NET, you are not at all working, but you want to add experience, these type of the things. So next, they will ask like in the interview, okay, so did you face any challenges? Yes. Okay, everybody clear about the roadmap? Any questions?
No.
Okay, so actually, if you, I mean, 3 days already we have done the sessions, but even so as requested by the new members, that's what. So today I will have some roadmap session. We'll see the practical. So anybody having the questions? So try to be interact. So our session always will be interact.
No,
I will call you. Ella Reddy, Vinod Kumar, Vinay, Munir, Santoshi, Sai. Somebody join with Redmi. Can you please rename? Ravi, Ram, Praveen, Narendra, Chakri.
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Viresh.
Yes.
Yeah,
ఎలా
చెప్పండి.
మా ఫ్రెండ్ రేపు జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు మేబీ ఈ రోజు ఏదో
That can be fine. Okay, so that you can able to let him to be come tomorrow. Okay, so on this session, anybody having the questions? So team, focus on this one. Just 3 months of focus. Okay, we'll have ReactJS is the 2 months course, so plus some days it will be take. It's not about the strict. ReactJS full stack is the 3 months. So just 2 months of fully focus. April 1st week, you can able to add a resume. Go to the companies. So after this one, I will build your resume also. Okay, so we're having the different resume tools. So even I will explain you. So where to be, how to be. Okay, for example, if I say design, if you're adding HTML, CSS, Chinna will be added. Other team who is not part of our sessions, ABC guy also will be come up same. But why the companies need to be look your resume faster? Those type of the things I will add you. Okay, so there you need to be add a little difference. Okay, so can I go? So hope everybody know ReactJS we're having nowadays a very good market. You already decided. Okay, so ReactJS are using by the Google's own so company. Every company are using. That's why we're having plenty of openings. So how many openings are there? We know it to work. Daily we are seeing. So next, why ReactJS? What is this ReactJS? Okay, so please take your notes. ReactJS. Okay. Okay, from today itself, these are the regular sessions. Okay, so please continue. So what is the ReactJS? Yes, team, tell me. Everyone unmute yourself. What is the ReactJS?
It's a framework for front-end development.
A library of JavaScript.
Okay, so ReactJS, 2 points here. One is the framework
of JavaScript library.
Second one is the library. Okay, so what is mean by framework? What is mean by library? Framework, simply we can able to say FX. Okay, framework. Okay, what is mean by library? So our ReactJS is a library. Okay, ReactJS, Vue.js, Kendo.js, all the JS are the library other than the Angular. So Angular is only the framework developed on the top of your JavaScript. Okay, so all these are the libraries developed on the top of your JavaScript. Okay, clear? So our ReactJS is the library on the top of a JavaScript. There are so many libraries are, so many frameworks are there. Why React only? Sir, only the thing is a business, sir. That's it. Why you are coming to the sessions? You want to get the job or else you want to switch the job because you need to earn the money. That's it. Why am I doing the job? Everybody will be the same. Okay, not for the free, right? Am I correct or not? Same here also. Okay, so whoever is leading the project, they are come up with some libraries or the framework ultimate companies will be follow. Okay, Google using the Microsoft TypeScript and they come up with the Angular approach. It does 2 success. Next, Facebook come up with approach called ReactJS. Okay, but it's not about to be competitor internally. Okay, you people, few members are already working, right? Internally, every company having some libraries, framework, every company. Okay, having some libraries or frameworks. But why these got famous? So ReactJS is the extendable library. Okay, why ReactJS? If anybody asking that, for example, Facebook is developed the ReactJS. Only the ReactJS? No, Facebook having a lot of libraries and a framework. But one of the successful product nowadays is the ReactJS from the Facebook. So anybody heard about WordPress.com? Do you know WordPress? Do you know WordPress?
I just only heard about.
Okay, WordPress.com. So WordPress.com is to develop a static pages. For example, Chandana having a small kind of a business. She wants to be flower business. So she wants to be create some website to market the paper. What she can do? She can able to develop a small kind of the website. So this is called WordPress website. Initially, the ReactJS using to develop this kind of website. Nowadays, if you know the WordPress.com also, you are having the very good openings. Clear? Okay. But is that React is totally develop this WordPress? No, because they are having some clashes in between, they left it. But why the ReactJS? ReactJS is a simple, please take the points, simple library on the top of JavaScript. Okay, so your ReactJS is the simple library on the top of a JavaScript. Sir, I heard about in the React TypeScript is using. That is a different story. Okay, so it is a simple library. Next, we can extend ReactJS library as per our application or business requirements. Okay, so let me give the features and then we'll start with I will explain you. So your ReactJS extend ReactJS library as per our application or business requirements. Yes, we can able to easily extend. Because of this feature only clients are using. For example, you know IRCTC? Anybody know IRCTC, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
recently IRCTC added a food system. Okay, some pizza delivery, whatever you want. So a new feature is going to be added. They will work on a old technology to be integrated or new. So everybody try with a new one only, right? So that's what. If you are adapting this ReactJS, already you are having a project. Okay, so already you are having the Praveen already having one project. Praveen is the client. Okay, he already having a project. For that project also, we can able to easily integrate this ReactJS. That's what ReactJS. Next, rapid development. Okay, so you can able to ask a client is came to you and if they want to be develop an application with and without ReactJS. With ReactJS, it will take 6 months. Without means it will take 8 to 10 months. So here you can able to save the time and cost, right? That's what rapid application development. Okay. Next, easily integrate with existing projects. Okay, that's what. Why a ReactJS means always a new application will not be ReactJS, old also. Next, unit testing. Okay, next React having a very good features like okay, having a best features. What are those? Where you can able to be easily interact with you can able to easily interact with Node.js applications. Okay, data binding, services. Okay, lot of things are there, etc. All these things in detail we'll see it. Okay, all these are the benefits of my ReactJS if I use the ReactJS. Clear? So like this, we have the plenty of. So I'm saying the realistic use cases. It's not about the Google giving the use case. If you check in the Google, so data binding, services, API callings, those are the normal. Any library or the framework, any technology can do. But why ReactJS specifically? Okay, so it is a simple library on top of your JavaScript, where you can able to extend your ReactJS as per your requirement. Okay, you are purchasing your product. If I say you can able to easily extend means that only you try, right? But Angular you can't able to extend. Angular you can't able to extend. React you can able to extend. Okay, if you want to develop a rapid application development within a week, I can able to develop a small kind of a web application. Okay, one more point. So React Native. What is mean by this React Native? To develop a mobile application. First, if you want to go for the React Native, first you should be know ReactJS. So React Native used to develop what type of application? Mobile applications. ReactJS used to develop what type of applications?
Web application.
Web applications. Remember this statement. Okay. So next, ReactJS having some future pros, concerns, whatever it is, we'll see in detail. We'll see. So next, if I want to work with ReactJS, okay. So if you're not able to understand any statement, let me know. I will explain your native language also. Okay. So if anybody Telugu, if you're not able to understand, I will explain in between. Okay. Next. So our ReactJS, if you want to work with the ReactJS project, what are the software's requirement? Okay. So for this software requirement, I will share you a video where everything was there. Please install. If you're having any issues, let me know. I will connect with you. First one is the Node.js. Second one is the Visual Studio Code. Next one is ReactJS application setup. That's it. Okay, that's it. So next, MongoDB, Node.js, RLC, JSON server. Those things we'll see later. Okay. First, you need to install the ReactJS. Sir, how to be installed? So here you can able to go to the C. Here, if I want to add any feature, right, I can able to say easily we can able to add. The first one is the Node.js. Okay, click on here. Please download this one. You can able to install. This video I will share you. Okay, so please text me, and whoever is joined today, can you text me? I have joined today. Okay, so I know the first week you may have the little confusion. Okay, if anybody too new to this ReactJS, but no need to worry. Just simply follow me. We have the telecallers also converted well, HRs also converted well. Simply follow me. I will take you into that level. Okay. Okay, team. No need to worry for that. So this setup we're having it. So any questions up to here?
No.
Guru Prasad, Harish, Raghavendra,
No, sir.
Nagarjuna, Narendra, any questions? Okay. Next. Sir, once the softwares are completed, please refer that software still if you want me to give. So I will share you the link. Whoever is joined today, just text in our WhatsApp. I have joined today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next, if you want to work with this ReactJS, I will show you how to create a project. Okay. The first two things are very easy. Just to go to the official website, download, open, next. Okay. Next, ReactJS application setup. Okay. So see here.
No.
Pardon? Okay. So how to create your ReactJS applications? Okay. First, create a dedicated folder. Okay. Sir, you are directly saying your ReactJS? No. So ReactJS is the platform. Okay. First, if you want to construct a home, you need to create a base or not. So this is my base. So this is your ReactJS. On the top of this ReactJS, you can able to see designer. Okay. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Okay. So next, coding. Okay. So if you want to write all these things, first you require a platform or not. So your ReactJS is a platform. ReactJS is the library it's using to develop applications. So we need to create a platform first. In the coding, JavaScript, initially we start with HTML only. JavaScript, okay, ReactJS, all these things, some libraries, all these things we are going to be clear. So I'm not going to be start with, maybe you have this that question. This is the ReactJS project, ReactJS project. So on the top of this one, we are going to be develop. If I want to develop, what we need to do? We need to be create a ReactJS application. So before going to create a ReactJS application, I have a question to everyone. Sir, you people already in the market, right? Market in the sense you are working with the different applications. At least you are using the applications. If you open your phone, lot of applications, mobile applications, browser, lot of applications. Sir, tell me how many types of applications? Out of this type, which application you are going to be develop? How many types of applications?
Two types. Static, dynamic.
Static and dynamic is a part of web application. Normally application, how many types of applications are there? Web application,
Mobile application.
mobile application,
System,
Windows application.
system application.
Windows application. Next, gaming application. Gaming apps are there separate. So when you are in the childhood, I don't know or not, we're having that gaming, what we call. I mean, so afternoon once lunch is completed, right? In the schools, we are going and play some games by the ₹1 coin if you are deposited. Okay. So specifically gaming applications are there. Okay. So next, networking applications. So which one is the best example of networking application? Your WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the networking application. So WhatsApp is developed by the network guy. Initially, he worked on the network systems, network. Okay, networking application, embedded systems application, VLSI. Okay, artificial intelligence, data science. Okay, so like this, we're having the different systems are. Our target is to learn about a web application. So these web applications are two types. What are those? Static application. Second one is dynamic application. Okay, so our target is what to be learned? Web application. Sir, what is mean by web application? Okay, so interview will start from here. Your interview process will be start from here. If you want to revise the subject also, it will be start from here. So a web application is a software. A web application is a software that will be developed by using web technologies and run on a web browser. Okay, web browser. Clear? So it is nothing but a software. Any application is nothing but a software. Yeah. Any application is nothing but a software. So a web application is the kind of a software. Why software? Why software? So software is nothing but a instead of a human to be perform action. So and virtual software will be work. Machine will perform. So embedded systems, if I say washing machine, instead of you to be do an activity, machine will do by some input. Here also, for example, I want to purchase an item from Amazon. Okay, so if I want to purchase, I need to, how I can able to purchase? Did I have to go to Amazon store or Amazon website? Amazon website. That website is a software developed by using web technologies run on a web browser. Clear my statement? What is a web browser? So now tell me, what are the web technologies?
Yes.
How many web technologies are there?
HTML, CSS.
Okay, we are having the 3 web technology: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, on the top of the JavaScript, we can able to develop on the top of JavaScript, we can develop library or a framework. That's what on the top of this JavaScript only Google and Facebook developed. Okay. Clear? On the top of the JavaScript, we can develop so your library framework. Clear? So your ReactJS is the library. Next, what are the web browsers? Chrome, Edge, Mozilla, Firefox. So which one is the first web browser? World Wide Web. Okay, www, World Wide Web. Next, Mozilla, Mosaic, Netscape Navigator, and then Mozilla. Okay, sir, if you want to learn the JavaScript, generally which websites we are following to learn the JavaScript? Anybody? W3 schools? Any other? Or else, which is the Java Point? Okay, which is the official website of Java? Mozilla. Okay, so Mozilla is a official website. See here, Mozilla. Okay, so Mozilla is a developer.mozilla.org. This is your official website. Okay, all these tutorials are there, but it was little tricky. I know, foreign English will be there, but even just to see it. Okay, so in the interview, they will first ask these questions. Okay, so something here, a prototype. What is a prototype? What is the eval for? Okay, so what are JavaScript benefits? Okay, Mozilla. So try to be adapt this official website, because some websites are having the wrong information also. But it's not about correct or not, just refer it. First see the comfortable website and then see it. Okay. Okay, team. Any questions up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. So next, create your setup that Node.js and Visual Studio Code. Sir, how to configure Git? Git we will see later. Okay. So how to set up ReactJS. Okay. Today we'll see the setup. Tomorrow onwards we'll start with the HTML. Okay. So our sessions are from Monday to Saturday. First we'll see the setup. If you want to do a setup, create a dedicated folder for projects. Okay, so first you need to be create a dedicated folder for a project. Okay, so where to be create the project? So come here. So here examples, right? A sample app, something is there. So like this, you need to be create. Let me create. How to create? First, you need to be create a dedicated folder. My dedicated folder is the examples. Okay, step number 1. Okay, what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is go to that folder address bar, type cmd. Okay, a command prompt will be open. Go to this address bar. This is my address bar, right? Type cmd. Even initially, I know you may not all know all these ones. Okay, so it will be little hard also. Just by heart it. I'm just giving the steps, right? Follow the steps. Here you need to be run. Command prompt is open or not? you need to be run and then run this command. Okay, the command name npx space create hyphen react hyphen app your project or application name. Okay, so here you need to be run your project or application name. Everyone, please, can you please pronounce it this one? Pronounce it this command.
npx space create hyphen react hyphen app space app name.
So it's not about one person to be. Only Harish is responding. Yes, everyone. Raghavendra, Mahesh, Nagarjuna, Narendra, Praveen.
npx space
Now,
create
app project.
okay. So it's a hyphen, not underscore. Underscore is below. Clear, right? So let me create a project. What is that project? npx space create hyphen react hyphen app space your application name. Give some application name. Okay, react app 1. Give some name, whatever you want to give, you can able to sample app. So but give the unique name. Sample app already having that ex1. Let me give example 1, but don't give any ex space 1, example 1. Okay. While you are creating this project, you should have a stable internet. Okay. So while creating your project, you should have a stable internet. So because all these files will be downloaded from the internet itself. So clear what we have discussed. First, we have seen about the roadmap. Next, we have seen about ReactJS features. So next, we are seeing about what type of applications. So next, we are doing a ReactJS application setup. Any questions, team, up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will share you that video where you can able to complete a setup for Node.js and Visual Studio Code. So please try to be joined from a laptop. I mean, if you join mobile, right? Maybe you can't able to visualize this practically. Okay, so almost done. Okay, so it is created, right? Yes, my project was created. Okay, so done. So what it has happened? So by using this project was created. Example, what is it? The command npx create hyphen react hyphen app sample app. That is your project name. Okay, so don't be say like a sample space app. Sample app. A project is created.
No, sir, it's example 1.
Okay, yeah, whatever it is, example 1 or sample app, just give that a name. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So next, run a React project or React app. How to run?
npm
Open a
space
project and go to the project address bar, type CMD. Okay, so what I'm trying to explaining, right? So open that project. Where is your project? So Sam, example one is your project. Go to that project. So not here. Go to the address bar. Sorry, this is called address bar. Okay, so this is called address bar. This is called search. Okay, so this is the folder search. This is the window search. This is the address bar. Okay, type CMD. Okay, so next you need to be run a command called npm space start. Okay, so what is that command? Run ReactJS application. Open the project, go to the project address bar, type CMD. It will open a command prompt. What is that command to be run? npm space start. So run this command. Your project will be run. So already some port is running on 3000. You want to run on different port to press yes. If any question is asked by the ReactJS, just simply press Y for yes. Okay, see here, my ReactJS application is started. Okay, my project is running or not? That's it.
Sir,
So
it is
that is
running 3002.
yes.
But
Okay.
why?
So already in the 3000 port, always React will not working on the 3000 port. It can able to run on any port. Even we can able to configure our required port also. Okay. So on the 3000 already on my application is working. Generally ReactJS will work on a 3000 port. That was blindly we can able to remember. It's not a correct. Any port it can able to run. It will be checked for that available port. 3000 is available. It will be okay. Otherwise, as a user, can you able to add your own port also? We can do either 4000, 4002, 5000 port also. Okay. So what have we seen today's session? First, we have seen about okay. So let me say like questions. The first question is not a question. So what we have seen today? First, we have seen about a roadmap. Next, we have seen about why ReactJS. Why ReactJS? Next, we have seen about how many types of applications. Next, we have seen about what are the web technologies. Next, we have how to set up a ReactJS application. Next, we have say that's it, right? That's it. Okay. So today the task for you already you remember. Okay. So you people already know the setup, then it will be fine. Now please create the setup again. So otherwise, try to be install the Node.js Visual Studio Code and then create a ReactJS application. That is your task. Don't be wait for until tomorrow session. Sir, demos are completed. Then once the real sessions are started, then I will be follow. No, from the day one, today itself sessions are started. Okay, already have the predefined members are confirmed. Okay, from today itself already batch is started. So team join at tomorrow 7:45 a.m. If you want me to discuss personally, you can able to text me in WhatsApp now. I will call you back. Okay. So next, any questions, any doubts, you can able to text me. Same number which you received from where you are received the link. That's it. Okay. So in the you can able to refer our YouTube channel for my mail, all the contacts. So here also it will be there. Okay, VKC trainings. Simply go to the YouTube, check for VKC training. So here it will be there. Number is there. No? This is my number. This is my email. If you want me to connect. So for example, I forget to show you the syllabus. So here it is the syllabus. Go to the trainings, ReactJS, so ReactJS, HTML, CS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Just for example, I given but you are going to be learn more than this. That I'm saying it's a promising hands-on exercise with this course plus real-time project you will get. Okay, so some libraries, additional libraries you are going to learn from here. Those libraries are not included here. As a part of the project, we'll see it. Any questions? ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? చెప్పింది అర్థమైందా? Can we close today's session?
Okay, sir.
So today, everyone, please complete the setup first and run your ReactJS applications. You may have questions or doubts, so immediately you can able to call or text me first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, team. Join same link at 7:45 AM tomorrow. Okay, team. Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks, team. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, sir.